Ladies and gentlemen, if I told you that just 3 days could change the way you see yourself, the way you carry yourself, and the way the world responds to you, would you believe me? For 3 days, not 3 years, not 3 months, just 3 days, you have the power to rewire your mind, rewrite your story, and reclaim your confidence. Because the truth is, the most important voice in your life isn't from the outside, it's the one inside your head. And if you dare to speak to yourself differently for 3 days, you will not recognize the person you become. Talk to yourself like this for just 3 days. 3 days may not sound like much, but in those 3 days, you could start a chain reaction that changes the trajectory of your life. You see, the way we speak to ourselves is the foundation of everything we do. It shapes the way we carry ourselves, the energy we radiate, the choices we make, and the dreams we believe are possible. Most of us have been conditioned to doubt ourselves, to shrink when we should stand tall, to apologize for wanting more, to second guess our brilliance before it even has a chance to shine. But what if just for 3 days you stop doing that? Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and the first thing you tell yourself isn't, "I'm so tired," or "I look terrible," or "I don't know if I can handle this." Instead, imagine opening your eyes and saying, "I am powerful, I am worthy, I am ready." Those words may feel strange at first because your inner critic has been so loud for so long. But if you can push past that discomfort and say them anyway, something extraordinary will begin to happen. The words you speak to yourself are not just words. They're commands, they're blueprints, they're seeds. When you say, "I can't," your body listens. When you say, "I'm not enough," your spirit bends under the weight of it. But when you say, "I can," and you say, "I'm more than enough," when you say, "I will," the entire universe inside of you rises to meet those words. You become lighter, stronger, bolder. And the beautiful thing is that this isn't wishful thinking. It's science, it's psychology, it's the truth. For 3 days, I want you to replace every self-doubting thought with a declaration of power. If you catch yourself saying, "I don't think I can do this," immediately correct it with, "Of course I can. I'm built for this." If you hear yourself saying, "I don't look good," replace it with, "I'm unique, I'm radiant, I own my presence." If you feel fear whispering, "What if I fail?" answer back with, "What if I fly?" That is the conversation you must have with yourself, not just once, not just twice, but over and over again until it feels natural. You may be wondering, can 3 days really make that big of a difference? The answer is yes. Because in 3 days, you will begin to rewire your mind. You'll start proving to yourself that you are not helpless, that you are not at the mercy of your doubts. You will start to see that you hold the pen, that you get to write the script of your own story. And once you've tasted that power, it's impossible to go back to the old way of living. Think about how you speak to a loved one. When someone you care about is hurting, you don't tell them, "You're weak, you're not enough, you'll never succeed." No, you hold them, you remind them of their strength, you tell them they are capable of overcoming anything. So why don't you speak to yourself the same way? Why don't you become your own source of encouragement, your own cheerleader, your own unwavering supporter? Because the truth is, the most important conversation you will ever have is the one you have with yourself. The world outside will always have noise. People will criticize. Circumstances will challenge you. Life will test you in ways you never imagined. You can't control any of that. But you can control the voice inside your head. And if that voice is strong, if that voice is kind, if that voice is unstoppable, then no amount of outside noise can drown you. For 3 days, train that voice. Teach it to love you, to lift you, to believe in you, and watch how quickly your confidence begins to soar. Every time you stand in front of a mirror, I want you to look at yourself, not with judgment, but with pride. Look at your reflection and remind yourself, this person has survived everything life has thrown at them. This person is still standing, still breathing, still fighting. That is not something small, that is extraordinary, and it deserves respect. Give yourself that respect. When challenges come, and they will, don't let your first response be fear. Let it be courage. Tell yourself, this is tough, but I'm tougher. This is big, but I'm bigger. Say it even if you don't fully believe it at first, because belief comes with repetition. The more you affirm your strength, the more you will feel it in your bones. The more you claim your worth, the more you will carry yourself like someone who refuses to settle for less than they deserve. And when opportunities arise, don't talk yourself out of them. Don't let that little voice say, I'm not ready, I'm not qualified, I'm not worthy. Stop that voice immediately and replace it with, I am ready, I am more than capable, I am worthy of every good thing that comes my way. Because the truth is, opportunities don't wait around for the perfectly prepared person. They appear for the bold, the ones willing to take the leap, even when their knees are shaking. If you can talk to yourself like that for 3 days, you will no longer watch opportunities pass you by. You will step into them with courage. And here's the magic. Once you begin speaking to yourself with power, the world begins to mirror that back to you. People start to treat you differently because they see the way you treat yourself. Doors begin to open because you approach them with confidence. Life begins to shift because you dared to shift the conversation you are having with yourself. It doesn't take years. It doesn't take decades. It takes 3 days to start, 3 days to choose a new language, 3 days to decide you will no longer be your own worst critic, but your loudest supporter. And once you do, you will never want to go back. You see, the reason most people never step into their true potential is not because they lack talent, resources, or even opportunity. It's because they have spent years tearing themselves down inside their own heads. They have rehearsed failure so many times in their imagination that when real challenges come, their mind is already prepared to give up. But what happens when you reverse that rehearsal? What happens when, instead of predicting defeat, you start predicting victory? When, instead of saying, I'll probably mess this up, you tell yourself, I'm going to crush this? That single shift changes everything. The truth is, life is not waiting for you to be perfect. Life is waiting for you to be brave. And bravery starts with the conversations you have with yourself when nobody's watching. It starts with whether you say, I don't think I can do this, or whether you look in the mirror, shoulders back, chin lifted, and say, yes, I can, and yes, I will. For 3 days, I want you to treat every thought as if it were a seed. Ask yourself, if this thought grows, what kind of life will it create? Will it grow into confidence, courage, and resilience? Or will it grow into fear, hesitation, and regret? Because the truth is, you cannot plant weeds and expect roses to bloom. You cannot keep feeding yourself with self-doubt and expect to live a life filled with abundance and confidence. You must become intentional. For Tiagvashirinako, days, you must plant only thoughts that build you, only words that fuel you, only affirmations that remind you of who you are and what you are capable of. When you wake up in the morning, don't just rush into your day. Pause, put your hand on your heart, and speak life into yourself. Tell yourself, today I choose to rise. Today I choose to shine. Today I choose to own my story. These words may feel simple, but they carry weight. They remind your spirit that you are not powerless. They remind your heart that you are still the author of your journey. Throughout the day, when challenges test your patience, when things don't go your way, resist the old habit of saying, why does this always happen to me? Instead say, this is my chance to grow stronger. This is my moment to prove I can handle more than I thought. That subtle shift is what separates people who crumble from those who rise. And I promise you, if you keep choosing those words for 3 days, you'll begin to notice a fire inside of you that maybe you forgot was there. In conversations with others, notice how often you put yourself down without even realizing it. How often do you say, I'm so stupid, or I can never get anything right? Those words may seem harmless, but they are programming your mind to believe smallness is your destiny. Stop apologizing for existing. Stop shrinking to make others comfortable. For 3 days, replace those self-sabotaging remarks with self-respecting ones. When you make a mistake, don't say, I'm so stupid. Say, I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm evolving. When you feel nervous, don't say, I can't do this. Say, I may be nervous, but I'm still capable. This is how you reprogram your mind to believe in you. And let's talk about comparison. One of the most destructive ways we speak to ourselves is when we measure our worth against someone else's highlight reel. You scroll through social media, you see someone else's success, and immediately you say to yourself, I'm behind, I'll never get there, I'm not good enough. Boo. For 3 days, I want you to break that cycle. When you see someone else winning, don't use their success to tear yourself down. Use it as proof that success is possible. If it's possible for them, it's possible for you. Instead of saying, Anta, I'll never be like them, say, I'm carving my own path and my time is coming. Do you see the difference? One way keeps you stuck, the other way fuels you forward. The way you speak to yourself in private shapes the way you carry yourself in public. If you keep telling yourself, I'm shy, I'm not confident, I can't do this, then when opportunity knocks, you'll hide. But if you spend 3 days telling yourself, I am confident, I am magnetic, I am ready for any room I walk into, then when that opportunity arrives, you won't shrink. You'll rise to the moment. Because you've been rehearsing courage in your mind long before the moment came. 3 days is all it takes to begin seeing the cracks in the walls of self-doubt. 3 days is enough to weaken the grip of those limiting beliefs that have held you captive for years. And once those cracks appear, light starts breaking through. Possibility begins to reveal itself. You start to see that you were never truly powerless. You just kept believing a voice that wasn't telling you the truth. And let's be honest, you've tried the other way already. You've spent months, maybe even years talking down to yourself. Has it made you stronger? Has it made you more confident? Has it made your life better? No. It's only made you second guess every step. So why not try something different? Why not spend 3 days speaking to yourself like the person you are destined to become? You owe it to yourself to hear your own voice rooting for you. You owe it to yourself to feel what it's like to wake up and not be at war with your own mind. You owe it to yourself to know the power of walking into a room knowing you've already claimed your worth. And it doesn't take years of therapy or decades of searching. It takes 3 days of commitment to the way you talk to yourself. Every great achievement begins with a belief. Every breakthrough starts with a voice that says, I can. And the most important voice is not the one that comes from your parents, your teachers, your friends, or even the world. It is the voice that comes from within. For too long, you've let that voice be a critic. For the next 3 days, let it be a coach, a champion, a fire that refuses to be put out. When you catch yourself hesitating, tell yourself, I am bold. When you feel unworthy, tell yourself, I am enough. When you doubt the future, tell yourself, my story is still being written and I am the author. Speak these truths until your doubts no longer have the power to silence them. Speak them until they are so ingrained in your soul that they become your natural state. And don't just say these words silently in your head. Speak them out loud. Let your ears hear them. Let your body feel the vibration of your own power. There is something undeniable about hearing yourself declare your greatness out loud. It shifts your energy. It raises your frequency. It aligns you with the life you are meant to live. For 3 days, choose to speak only what lifts you higher. Choose to silence the critic and amplify the coach. Choose to replace I can't with I will. Choose to replace I'm not enough with I am everything I need to be. 3 days of this practice and you will not only notice a difference in how you feel, but also in how the world responds to you. Because confidence is magnetic, strength is contagious. When you believe in yourself, others begin to believe in you too. So start today, start now. Catch every word you speak to yourself and decide whether it builds you or breaks you. For 3 days, refuse to break yourself down. Refuse to make yourself small. Refuse to let doubt be the loudest voice in the room. Instead, be your own revolution. Be your own reminder. Be your own light. You have to remember that the way you speak to yourself is a choice. And choices become habits, and habits shape destinies. For too long, many of us have lived as prisoners of our own negative self-talk, repeating the same destructive phrases until they become a soundtrack that runs on autopilot. But if you can interrupt that soundtrack for 3 days, if you can consciously rewrite it, you will begin to create a rhythm that matches the life you actually want to live. Think about the times you've stood on the edge of an opportunity and let your inner critic talk you out of it. Maybe it was a chance to speak up in a meeting, to start something you've been dreaming about, or to step into a relationship that could change your life. Instead of telling yourself, I can rise to this, you whispered, what if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? What if they laugh? And then you walked away, shrinking from a moment that could have elevated you. But what if for 3 days you decided that your first response to opportunity would always be, yes, I can, yes, I deserve this, yes, I'm ready? Do you realize how many doors you would walk through? It's not about faking confidence. It's about practicing belief until it becomes your natural state. The same way muscles grow when you lift weights, your mind grows when you feed it strong words. And at first it might feel heavy. At first it might feel awkward to say things like, I am unstoppable, I'm worthy of greatness. But just like the gym, repetition builds strength. After 3 days of consistent training, you begin to feel the shift. After 3 weeks, it becomes habit. And after 3 months, it becomes who you are. For 3 days, I want you to be intentional about catching every self-sabotaging thought. Don't just let it slide. Confront it, replace it, rewire it. If the thought says you'll never succeed, answer with, I am already succeeding because I refuse to quit. If the thought says you're not as good as them, answer with, I am incomparable. I am my own standard. If the thought says you're not ready, answer with, I was born ready for my destiny. Do this enough times and your mind will stop questioning your worth and start reinforcing it. And here's the truth. The world doesn't reward doubt. The world rewards belief. Every person you admire, every story of success you've ever heard started with someone who dared to believe in themselves before anyone else did. They weren't given a guarantee. They weren't told you're going to make it. They told themselves, I will make it. And that inner conviction carried them through rejection, failure and obstacles until the world had no choice but to notice. You don't need to wait for someone else to validate you. You don't need a title, a stage or applause to confirm your greatness. You just need 3 days of speaking to yourself as though you already are the person you want to be. Because here's the secret. The more you affirm it, the more you embody it, and the more you embody it, the more the world begins to reflect it back to you. And let's talk about how this will affect your energy. When you speak life into yourself, you walk differently, you breathe differently, you enter rooms with a presence that cannot be ignored. People may not even know why, but they will feel it. They will sense the confidence radiating off you, the unshakable belief that you belong wherever you choose to be. That doesn't come from luck. That doesn't come from privilege. It comes from training your inner voice to be your ally instead of your enemy. For 3 days, I want you to treat yourself like your best friend. Think about it. If your best friend came to you and said, I don't think I can do this, would you tell them, you're right, you're not good enough? Of course not. You would lift hearts. Lift them up. You would remind them of their strength. You would remind them of everything they've overcome. Now ask yourself, why aren't you doing the same for you? If you can encourage others, you can encourage yourself. And when you become your own greatest supporter, you stop needing constant validation from the outside world. You become self-sustaining. Even in moments of pain, this practice matters. Maybe you've gone through heartbreak. Maybe life has knocked you down in ways that left scars. The temptation in those moments is to speak to yourself with words of defeat. I'll never recover. I'll never love again. I'll never rise. But those words only deepen the wound. What if for 3 days you chose different words? What if you said, this pain will not define me. This heartbreak will not destroy me. I'm healing, I'm growing, I'm coming back stronger than ever. Do you realize the power that kind of conversation gives you in the middle of your hardest seasons? It transforms you from victim to victor. Every time you speak to yourself, you're either adding bricks to a wall that traps you, or you're building stairs that lead you higher. And the choice is always yours. For 3 days, build stairs. Refuse to lay another brick in the prison of your doubts. Refuse to be the reason you hold yourself back. You have enough obstacles in life already. Don't add your own voice to the list of things working against you. Let your voice be the one thing that always fights for you, even when the world doesn't. And remember, greatness doesn't happen in giant leaps. It happens in small, consistent choices. 3 days of empowering self-talk might seem small, but it is the spark that ignites a wildfire. You won't just feel different. You will act different. You will approach your goals with more courage. You will take risks you once avoided. You will carry yourself with a confidence that demands respect. And when people ask you what changed, you'll know the answer. It wasn't the world. It was you. And when you start living like this, something remarkable happens. You begin to trust yourself again. Think about it. How many times have you broken promises to yourself? You said you'd try, but you gave up too soon. You said you'd show up, but you let fear hold you back. You said you'd believe in yourself, but you silenced that belief before it had a chance to grow. Each broken promise chips away at your confidence. But when you start speaking life into yourself for 3 days, you begin to repair that trust. Every positive word becomes a promise you keep. Every declaration of strength becomes proof that you are reliable, dependable, unshakable. That trust becomes the foundation upon which you rebuild your confidence. For 3 days, don't let doubt dictate the story. Let your words remind you of your resilience. Tell yourself, I am the kind of person who follows through. I am the kind of person who shows up for myself. I am the kind of person who keeps going even when it gets hard. These words are not empty. They are anchors. They keep you steady when life tries to shake you. They keep you moving forward when your past tries to pull you back. And here's the beautiful part. Once you begin speaking to yourself with respect, you naturally start expecting respect from others. You no longer tolerate people who belittle you because you've stopped belittling yourself. You no longer accept less than you deserve because your words have reminded you that you are worthy of more. For 3 days, let your self-talk raise your standards. Let it remind you that you are not here to play small. You are here to live fully, boldly, unapologetically. Every time you face a challenge, instead of asking, why me? Ask, why not me? Why shouldn't you be the one to rise? Why shouldn't you be the one to break through? Why shouldn't you be the one to defy the odds? Those 3 words, why not me, have changed the lives of countless people who refuse to settle for average. They remind you that greatness is not reserved for the chosen few. Greatness is available to anyone who dares to believe they are worthy of it. And that belief begins with the words you tell yourself. For 3 days, practice catching your reflection and speaking with intention. Don't just glance in the mirror and rush away. Stop. Look yourself in the eyes. Say out loud, I'm proud of you. I believe in you. I love you. It might feel uncomfortable at first, especially if you've spent years criticizing what you see. But healing begins with discomfort. Growth begins with awkwardness. And transformation begins with small acts of courage like this. When your mind tries to drag you into old patterns of doubt, remember that you are in control. You get to decide whether to entertain those thoughts or replace them. You get to decide whether to replay the same old story or write a new one. And if you commit to rewriting it for 3 days, you'll prove to yourself that change is possible. If 3 days can create momentum, imagine what 3 weeks can do, what 3 months can do, what 3 years can do. But it starts small. It starts now. Every person who has ever achieved something extraordinary started with one decision, the decision to believe. And belief isn't always easy. It doesn't always come naturally. Sometimes